back to Clubby Kid Art. Today I will be showing you how to make and use a fortune teller. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a fortune teller. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to take our piece of origami paper. That is what I'll be using for this video. We're going to flip it over. If you want the colorful side to show, you should flip it over onto the blank side first. Alright, so the first step is to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold the corner right into the middle. Okay, so we'll do that for all the corners, just like this. Alright, so I'm going to do my last corner. Alright, so your paper should look like this. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to take the corners and do the exact same step again. So we're going to just fold in the corners. Alright, just like this. I'm going to do my last corner. Alright, so your piece of paper should look like this. Alright, so we're going to flip it over and you're going to have these little squares. So what you're going to do is you sort of have to put your fingers in the little squares and make it take shape. So you go like this and you can fold it like this. And just take your paper and you can fold it to get it to sort of make itself come together. So now you put your thumbs and your pointers into it like this. So your thumb goes in here, your pointer goes in here, your other thumb goes in here, and your pointer goes in here. So you can take this, and now here's how you use it. So you take your hands, bring them apart, and you put them back together, take your fingers, bring them apart. And you can go like this. That's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!